Yeah, every day.
Ngeviki malini leyo. Ngonyaka. Ha, shembe. Installment semoto ngeke.
Yes, everyday taps, guys. So I'm gonna take from top 10 or top 5, top 10. So the calculator every day.
Angingabanika kamashumi. Ngithi shumi. Hayi osheleni ngibanika amashumi. Ngithi ishumi umuntu. Shumi.
Bioza.
Yini? Ngeke ukuyothenga utshwala mina nginikeza abantu imali ukuthi nje.
And also, I also want to do, guys, if you're a girl and you're watching my live, I also want to do like clothes giveaways. So as you guys know that mina ngisebenza ne-Shein, ngizokutholela like you see those but I'm only going to do that with subscribers on YouTube. Since I'm working with Shein, yabona that Musera tracksuit that is famous. That Musera tracksuit that is very famous. So mina ngizokutholela yona on Shein. When I also like you will just say okay, I'm not gonna say like you don't have to choose, even if you don't choose the colors, because all of the colors are nice. So you're gonna I'm still thinking about it and actually like want to draw it about like draw. Then I know Gucci there will be a winner who's gonna walk away with that tracksuit. Cause remember that tracksuit comes like it's a set, yes, but it comes one. Angazi ukuthi ngiyangithola na. So yeah. We need so yeah guys, the winner will go away with that. Bioza naye on his side uzonithengela
Ngeke sithandwa uma mfethu nje lokhu ngicatha nabantu
ijiresi ya red bed.
Sithandwa mfethu awukahle mfethu ndoda. Yabo nje mina into engicabanga ma ukuvala live ngizothepha lapho kutholela u100.
This guy. Shame. I see man, Bioza man. You are awesome. My name on YouTube is Tsofatsomash. Guys, my phone.
Hayi wena hey. 4.
Neighbor. Ngikwa uneighbor wami.
Njani?
I'm trying to ask my neighbor for a charger because if only guys, I have stress, shame.
Ngitshele ngathenga i-charge. Wena imali ama giveaway kodwa unayo imali e-charge.
Red. Uthini?
Ngithi unemali ama giveaway unayo imali e-charge.
Ngithi mina wena uthengele like you must buy a red bed hoodie, then when you give it away.
Ngoze vele ukhuluma isilungu. Awuyiyeke futhi lenkulumo yakhe ngithandisisa.
Oh Bioza.
Hayi.
Guys, last time the time we were breaking up mina naye, he was asking me ukuthi ya wena buyisele i10 rand yami. Kiye 10 rand ngizoyithatha ngizoyifaka safe. Guys, my username is Tirofatso March. Just go search my whole name on YouTube, you'll find it. So
mina vele Thego mina mangasenalo uthando lwami ubuyisele uya10 rand wami engakupha wona ngiyayicelela uyilethe
uzoyenza ngeke uyabema uzothenga ama cigarettes
hayi nje le mali engafakela ingane yami le mali
uyifakela ke
le mali ngimfakela
Shoprite take this one umthumelele
letha la lo mina noma athi unginika u5000 lo ngiyomthumela on10 rand lo ngimthela ngeke mina ngibe nemali yokudlala naye kumele akhulu abendoda ezosebenza
That's ushilo ukuthi kuyena khulubusi.
Ngoba ngithe akakhulu abuse bengimnika amandla phezu kwegama lakhe ukuthi kumele akhule.